What is focal length? Now I'm going to read this because it's quite scientific. Focal length. The optical distance from the point where light rays converge to form a sharp image. Did you understand that? No. No, nor did I. So let's bin that. Essentially, for a beginner, I'm not going to try and pretend that I understand the science part of it. But for a beginner, the smaller the number, the wider the view. The bigger the number, the narrower the view. It also affects something else though. It's not just how cropped an image is. That would be too easy, because otherwise why would people choose different focal lengths? Surely they would just take the widest photo ever and then cut it up into the little pieces that they want. No, it also affects something called compression. What is compression? I hear you cry. Compression is about making things appear nearer, and you can do some really cool things with different focal lengths. So let's look at these three pictures. Say for instance that little stand is I don't know, it's the thing that you really want to take a photo of. But as you can see here, shot at 15mm, you can see my hat drying on the radiator. And you don't want that in the picture because it doesn't look cool. Now you could just get a bit closer, but if you got a bit closer, then it's taking up all of the frame and it doesn't look cool. So what you can do is you can walk backwards to where I'm stood here, still shot at 15mm, and then you can change your focal length. This is now shot at 45mm, and all of those bits that you didn't want to see are gone. The other thing that you may have noticed are the things behind the stand that we were taking a photo of now appear closer to the subject. So longer focal lengths, as much as they zoom in, they also bring things closer together. So you can get a shot of a person and the mountains look closer, which is pretty cool. So go out, shoot different focal lengths. Ideally, what you would do is you would take out a kit lens, which is like 15 to 45 or 16 to 50 or whatever your kit lens is. But just take a small zoom lens that's got a range and just go and see what the differences you can make. Take the same photo 3 different times with 3 different focal lengths and just to have a bit of a laugh. It's great. If you've liked the video, please like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notifications of the next video that's coming out. Let me know about different photos that you've taken at different focal lengths and what you've learned from this. That would be great to hear that I'm helping people. And the only thing I've got left to say is keep learning.